Guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be making a breakfast recipe today, guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for, guys? Please subscribe, like and share, and click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when I upload. Guys, I do upload a lot of videos during the week. Please always come back to check for new recipes. So I'm gonna get down to the introduction of the ingredients. I have approximately 8 medium-sized potatoes here, chopped into squares, and 1 medium-sized tomato chopped, 1 medium-sized red onion chopped, red, green and yellow bell peppers chopped all half, 1 medium-sized carrots chopped, 1 stalk of spring onion, 3 chicken sausages, a teaspoon of chili flakes, approximately 1.5 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of thyme, 2 teaspoons of paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and half a cube of vegetable bouillon or Maggi. Please guys, if you don't have all these powdered forms of spices, you could actually use the fresh or grated ginger and garlic. So guys, these are all our ingredients displayed here, and let's move on to business. So guys, we're going to go ahead and boil our potatoes as follows. Put your potatoes in a pot. Add just enough water to boil till tender. And then some salt. Cover this up and boil till soft. So guys, our potatoes has been boiling for some time now, and I guess it's ready. So I'm going to take off the lid. Use a fork to pierce to ascertain that everything is okay. It actually went through, so it's ready. So I'm gonna drain this and see you later. Presenting to you our potatoes, guys. Keep this aside. So the next thing we're gonna do will be to put some olive oil in a pan. Just a little, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Allow to heat up, and then we proceed from there. So guys, we're going to proceed and drop our potatoes into the pan. We are not actually frying our potatoes, that's why we limited the oil. We just want to achieve some browning on the outside of the potatoes. So we're just going to remove this and place on a plate. Keep this aside. So we're going to proceed by putting some olive oil in the pan. So guys, after putting our olive oil in the pot, we're going to go ahead and fry our tomatoes till dry. So when you notice that your tomatoes are dry, add your sausages to fry alongside your tomatoes. Add your onion. Mix everything up. The next thing to add will be your carrots. Mix everything up. Allow this to cook together for approximately 2 minutes. The next thing to add will be your spring onions. Mix everything up. Add your bell peppers. Mix. Add your red bell pepper powder or paprika powder, thyme, salt, chili flakes, Maggi, ginger powder and garlic powder. So I'm going to scatter my Maggi in. Mix everything up. So guys, let this cook openly for approximately 3 minutes. And you also have to taste to make sure that your salt and Maggi are balanced at this stage. We're going to bring in our potatoes at this stage. Oh my god, I can't imagine how tasty this will be. Stir and mix everything up. Guys, let this cook for approximately 2 minutes. Mix everything up again for the last time. Ow. Guys, serve and enjoy with family. Thank you guys for watching. Love and light your way. Bye bye.